Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech Solution. I want to teach you the Python as the faster way as possible and more practical way. Now, before we get started, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification by clicking on the bell icon. Today I am going to cover the most important topic, how we are going to install Anaconda Navigator into Windows 10. So before going to start, what is Anaconda Navigator or Python distribution? Anaconda is a distribution of the Python and R programming language for scientific computing. That means data science, machine learning application, large scale data processing, predictive analysis, etc. That aims to simplify package management and deployment. The distribution included data science package suitable for Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. It is developed and maintained by Anaconda, which was founded by Peter Wang and Travis Oliphant in 2012. As an Anaconda INC product, it is also known as Anaconda Distribution or Anaconda Individual Edition, while other products from the company are Anaconda Team Edition and Anaconda Enterprise Edition. Both are which are not free. So before going to start, let's search in google.com Anaconda Python. Okay, and click on individual edition, new tab. Okay, now if you see is here Python products individual edition. Now if you'll go down here, you will see, okay, we have the operating system, Windows operating system, Mac OS and Linux. Today I am going to show how we are going to install Anaconda installer in Windows 10. Then based on your bits, you are going to download that. This is 457 MB and this is 403 MB. Just click on 64-bit graphical installer. Okay. Now if you see here, we have, it will take 15 to 20 minutes to download the Anaconda latest version. For safer side, I already downloaded this Anaconda, the same version. Okay. Now I'm going to click this exe file. Okay, now you see it here. This is welcome to Anaconda 3 2020.11 beta. Now if you are going to install it, click next to continue. I agree all of them. It's just for me. If you want for recommendation, just for me only. For us, we are going to other. If you are going to use for all users, then click on the second option. I'm going to choose just for me. Click on next. This is Anaconda 3. Click on next, destination folder. Okay, this is two options. If you say advanced option, right? It here, right? Advanced option. That is first one, add Anaconda 3 to my path environment variable. That's one other option, register Anaconda 3 as my default Python 3.8. See, if you have already installed the Anaconda Navigator in your system and Python, even the 2.7, 3.6, 3.7, 3.8, which version you are going to install, then you don't have to choose this one. Add Anaconda 3. If you are going to choose this one when you don't have any Python installer, just like a 3.6 to 2.7, 3.8 or Anaconda Navigator. If you already installed, then this is not recommended. You have unchecked this one. And now click on install. It will take some time to install it based on your RAM. Now you can see we installed this Anaconda, the latest version, and it's showing completed. Now if you click on next, click on next. Now finish it. Okay. Now you can see the open it Anaconda product individual installation success. That means installation, your Anaconda installation is now success. Okay. Now I'm going to open the Anaconda here. Just search in the Anaconda. Okay. We have Anaconda Promote and we have Anaconda Navigator 3. Okay. Let's click on Anaconda Promote. Now one pop-up will come. Okay. Now it's coming, right? Now if you can see Python version, Okay. Now we have the Python 3.7.0 version. Okay. Now if you are going to go with that Conda info also, this Conda info. Okay. Now you see it here. We have the Conda version 4.8.4, build version 3.17.17, and we say Python version 3.7.0 final 0. Okay. Now if you see it, now we are going to use Jupyter notebook and click enter. Then it will open the Jupyter notebook. Even let's first open this one. Even you can increase the size from here also. Go to the properties, font. Okay, just make it 2024. Click OK. Okay, and now its size is increased. It's taking time to open Jupyter notebook. Just wait for some time. Okay, now you see Jupyter lab extension, this 1. Okay, now you see it here, the Jupyter notebook is open here. Right, so you can even create new Python 3. Okay, click on notebook Python 3 here, new notebook Python 3. Okay, it will open a new tab. Okay, now you see it here, the cell, right? Now we can 2 plus 2 use it, shift enter. Okay, what will happen? Shift enter, you're going to execute it. Okay, it's taking a little time here. You see it here, right? Yeah, 2 plus 2 4, 2 multiply by 2 power of 2, that is 4 also. Even you have run option also here. Other than that, you have the sort option also. Shift enter, 2 multiply, this is power of 2, then it will be 8. Shift enter, it will be 8. Okay, even you can print it here, hello world. Okay, shift enter. Okay, print hello world. Okay, now if you see it here, you can rename, double click on this one, you can type in the Python Anaconda and click rename. Okay, even you can have file option, save and checkpoint. Okay, you click and say all, that is checkpoint created, this one 2.0. even you can stop it here, interrupt the kernel, then it will stop everything here. Okay, now if you see it here, now if you're going to run, okay, file, even you can create new file notebook here for Python 3. Okay, you can make a copy also, you can revert the checkpoint. See the last checkpoint, you see, right? We save it as 7 checkpoint. This is to the 20 December 8.0 am. Okay, even you can download this Python Anaconda txt file, Python HTML .ex, markdown .md, rest.py. Okay, and even edit, you can cut, copy, paste, find and replace. Just like if you want to add extra cell here, right, then you have to click plus, then extra cell it will be created here, right? If you want to remove extra cell, then you have to use cut selected cell. Okay, then click on this one. If you want to run, then click on run here. You can stop, that will interrupt the kernel here. You can restart the kernel with dialog, then you have used this one. Okay, and your markdown or heading, you can use the heading also. Okay, this is level 2 heading, click on OK. Okay, here you have, this is Python Anaconda. Okay, and click on save. Okay, this is heading here, can cell, run and selected below, run all, then all the cells will be run here. Okay, okay, run 2 plus 2 plus 3, all the cell will run at one time, then cell runs all. Okay, run all above, run the cell type, all output. If there are lots of options, you can say restart and clear output, restart and clear all out, and all the cell will be deleted from here. Okay, you have to use restart and run all, and restart and it will run all. Okay, you see, right, this is all are deleted here, clear output, right? This is clear. Okay, and even you can remove from here. Okay, widgets is there, save, notebook widgets, help, if you want to any help, keyword shortcut, click on this one, then you will get all the shortcut keywords that you are going to use it here. Okay, move cursor up, down, like that. It will give all the shortcut from here. Okay, this is very useful when I am going to teach you data science, machine learning kind of things. Okay, now we have another things here, Anaconda Navigator. Okay, this is also important. Click on Anaconda Navigator. It will take small times to run. Anaconda is green is showing right circle. This is in slicing. Now if you see it here, Anaconda Navigator. Okay, see, we have the different application that if you want to use, then you can use, just like a spider. If you want to use Jupyter Notebook, this one, Q2 console, Jupyter Lab is there, Anaconda shortcut, and VS Code is also there. And if you want to install other than that also, then just like if you want to use Orange 3, PowerShell shortcut, RStudio, then you have to click on install, and then it will install into your system. Just like if we have already installed Spider, then it's launch, click on launch, then it will be launch the Spider. This launcher, let me show you another things here. See here, if you see it in the Anaconda product, then you will download. After download, you will see this link here, right? Thanks for downloading it, right? And after that, if you will go down here, it will say getting started with Anaconda Individuals. If you want to watch this video, then click on this one, watch this video, and provide the basic informations to watch this video. Just basically you have to register it. You have to use email address, password, confirm password, and click on I have read and I agree to Anaconda. I am not Robert. And after that, go below down and register for free. Then you have to register in this one, and after you register, then you can watch these videos. Okay, thank you so much for watching my video. I am going to post more and more video on daily basis. So if you want to watch my video in future, just subscribe in below bell icon with all. He will notify you when my new video will come. And please don't forget to like and share. We will meet once again in new video with new topic.